Morning, everybody. Hi, it's December 19th. We're in Balboa Island on a Monday at 9:57 a.m. and we're gonna go to my favorite coffee and cookie shop here in Balboa Island. It was pretty cold today. It was 44 degrees, and the weather now it's warming up. It's getting sunny for December. It's 56 degrees here in Newport Island, and we're going to Crocker's coffee. It's actually like a little deli, but we're gonna go inside here real quick. And it's a Monday. We're just days away from Christmas. 56 degrees in Newport Beach, Balboa Island, on December 19th, Monday at 10 a.m. Now, I was in here the other day, and they have a really great chocolate chip cookie and cup of coffee. So I'll go ahead and get another one. They had vanilla, French vanilla, and chocolate chip cookie. Oh, it looks like they're out of chocolate chip. But they have oatmeal raisins, so maybe I'll just skip the chocolate chip cookie for today. They have dollar bills all over the place. And it's crowded on a Monday. Everybody's out. So, Crocker's Abundant Table, celebrating every bite. And I just parked on the street. It was really, really crowded. I couldn't find any parking. So now Balboa Island is famous for this main street here. They're right situated next to the bay, between the bay and across from Balboa Beach. If you walk out in the distance, you can do the boardwalk and walk around the bay. They have Erod Ranch Market here on the corner, and lots of little vintage shops next to the Abundant Table and Crocker's Deli. So it's a pretty festive little place. They have everything decorated for the holidays. The windows are really cute. Now, I was just driving through Balboa Island this morning when I realized it's like Balboa Island is really quaint and tiny. It's a lot like a little Rhode Island city, you know? It's just right on the bay. So anyways, we're gonna get some coffee. And they're busy in here, so. Ooh, look at the pies in here. Gluten-free blueberry muffins. And of course, my favorite chocolate chip cookie is sold out. But they do have gluten-free peanut butter chocolate oatmeal. Sounds good. And it looks like they have like a pecan pie. Ooh. Well, they're busy. I don't think I'm going to get a cup of coffee anytime soon, so. So maybe there's another coffee shop around here somewhere. We'll go check it out. But I think I really want to wait for that coffee there because it's only $3.50 a cup, and you get refills for free. So that sounds pretty good. Now here on Balboa Island, they have this place called the Balboa Island Museum at Newport Beach, and it looks like they're open. We can go take a peek of there while we're waiting for the Crocker's to open up a little bit. So we'll run in here real quick. Hi, are you open?
We're just opening.
Do you charge to get in?
No.
Oh, great. Nice. Did John Wayne used to live on Balboa Island?
He lived in Bay Shores, which is just around the corner, but he was very much a part of the island.
Yeah, I saw a mural with him down the street.
Yeah, he was here all the time.
Really? Oh, interesting. Oh, I have a cap from his Cancer Foundation by Patrick Wayne. Oh, nice. You got a nice little tribute for John Wayne here. Oh, Shirley Temple and her dad having fun on the beach.
Yeah, they didn't live here, but they came.
Mm-hmm. Nice. And there's John Wayne, football star, majoring in pre-law at the University of Southern California. He was a member of the Sigma Chi fraternity and played football under Coach Howard Jones. During high school break, Duke was injured in a body surgery accident at the Wedge in Newport Beach, which cost him his football scholarship. Wow. Wow. I didn't realize John Wayne was such an active man. Nice little museum for John Wayne. I like this poster, The Endless Summer at the Wedge, Newport Beach history. The Wedge, the creation extension of the two Harport jetties, altered the area around them in important ways. Wow, nice little video.
Experience what the city has to offer: the restaurants, the nightlife, the daytime activities, and also the beach. People go boating, surfing. Some people just want to go out and jump in the water, and they get it a little over their head, so to speak. It's not your average swimming pool. There's dangers out there. I grew up doing the junior lifeguard program, which still is going strong over 30 years now. And I got hired as a lifeguard. Out in the towers, and then I moved on to the rescue boats, and that's where I supervised that
The Wicked Wedge.
job for about 18 years now.
What a nice little museum. 132 Opal Avenue. Wow, look at that. Wow. "203 Opal Avenue." Look at that historic little house. Look at that. Nothing here back in the day. Oh my, look at this incredible little model of the Balboa Beach Pavilion. Isn't that something? That is really nicely done. The pavilion model, the harbor at Newport Beach. Wow. Now you can actually go in here for lunch right through these doors. And look at the boats come in the bay. Wow, it's got little twinkly lights. And they've got a picture from 1912 of Corona del Mar. There's nothing there. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Puzzles, you can come in here and do puzzles. What a nice museum.
Thank you. We like it.
It's very good. I'm trying to touch up on my history of the area. I'm not from here. I've only been here a year.
Oh, you just moved here?
And I'm learning, you know.
Where's home?
Arizona. Yeah, but I love Newport. It's probably one of the most incredible bay cities you have on the Southern California. I've lived in LA, but you know, Venice is not really the same.
Yeah. No,
No, this has a lot of charm.
all of the beach areas all have their own vibe.
Yeah, this is really, really
Yes, we are charming. That's the word.
very charming and quaint and
Yes. We'd love to keep it that way.
yeah. I really don't. I wouldn't live in this area. I'm more of a Balboa Beach kind of goer.
Like
You know,
what?
yeah, it's a little more,
Yeah.
you know, surfing and biking on the
Exactly.
bike path and everything. But yeah, but I love it. A nice store. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. All right, it's time to have some coffee. She was very friendly, and I haven't done a video in a while, and I'm just a little mad at YouTube right now because they're making me work. For every single subscriber, I have to post one video just to get a subscriber. So I deleted all my videos and put them in private. But you know, I just can't rant and be negative with my YouTube videos because people really, it really comes down to people really don't care about what I have to say. They, you know, if I narrate nicely and give them a little history of the information of the area, they would like to hear it. But really, they just want to see the area. So back to the tour.
Good morning. How are you? Okay, let me grab my
I'm waiting for a cup of coffee. I can't seem to get one.
Just a little, yeah.
They've got quiche and chocolate brownies. Ooh.
Excellent, thank you. This option is yours, right?
Well, that's taking forever. I can't get a cup of coffee today. Oops. So here we are. We just left the Balboa Island Museum in Newport Beach. It was my first time in there, and it was really nice. Had a little bit of history about John Wayne and Shirley Temple, and I saw a little picture of James Dean Martin. And it's really, really charming little town. The woman was very friendly, and I'm just waiting for a cup of coffee or some service at the Crackers shop here. But people are very chatty and they don't want to stop talking, as you can see.
And I'm sorry, was that to go? Yeah, to go. I didn't write to go, it's a to-go order. Thank you very much. Okay. Look at her, what you got? Hi, what's your name?
Well, it doesn't look like I'm going to get any service today, so I'm leaving Balboa Island. It's a little too crowded, so we'll conclude this little tour and go find coffee somewhere else. All right, have a great day. Thanks for watching Beach Gypsy on YouTube. Oh. We are now leaving Balboa Island. We're on Marine and Main Street and turning left on Basin.